part 2 of my belt assembly. Well, triple sander. Been working on the belt mechanism. Standard finger sander belts, self-tensioning with a little bit of luck. That's 2 ball bearings. That's just a parallel piece of wood. That one there's got a little bit of a crown on to try and pull it back to centre. You can adjust the pressure on if you want, but I find that with a new belt, minimum's about right. If the belt stretches, you might want to put a little bit more pressure on. It's the main thing this will be used for, putting gentle curves on things rather than a straight chamfer as that would do. Don't know what sort of wood this is, but it's hardwood and it's typical of the sort and the size that I'd be using on this. Using nice gentle curves. And that's that. The final step is to try and adapt this so that it'll go on it. Which probably means cutting that off, drilling a 5mm hole down the middle and then tapping it 6mm so I can screw that directly to it. That's 240 grit as well. I'm really looking forward to using that. So there you have it.